Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to reset a Mini Cooper brake light. First, get into your Mini Cooper and turn the ignition to position 2. Do not start the engine. Next, find the trip reset button on your instrument cluster. This button is usually near the speedometer. Now, press and hold this trip reset button for approximately 10 seconds until the service menu appears. This initial step is crucial for accessing the diagnostic functions. Once the service menu is visible, release the trip reset button. You'll see various service indicators. To navigate through these options, briefly press the trip reset button repeatedly. Each quick press will advance to the next item. Continue pressing until you find the brake light service indicator. This indicator often shows a symbol resembling a brake pad or a specific mileage countdown. With the brake light service indicator displayed, press and hold the trip reset button for about 3 seconds. The display should then show reset. To confirm your action. To finalize the reset, release the button and then press and hold it one more time until the new service interval or a confirmation message appears. This process clears the warning and updates your Mini Cooper's system. After completing the reset, turn off your Mini Cooper's ignition completely. Wait a few moments, then restart the engine to confirm the brake light warning has cleared. If the light persists, there might be an underlying issue requiring professional attention. Remember to check the description below for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals. Keeping up with regular maintenance, like checking brake fluid levels and pad wear, helps prevent future issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.